Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Gmod on Laptop Easy Guide. First, open Steam and purchase or locate Garry's mod in your library, then click Install. Confirm install location has enough drive space and choose to install necessary redistributables when prompted. After installation finishes, update your GPU drivers and set power mode to high performance. Launch the game once and configure basic settings before joining a server or creating a sandbox. To optimize settings for Gmod on a laptop, open the video options and reduce texture quality, shadow detail, and water reflections to free GPU memory. Set resolution to native or one step lower, and lower render scale to improve frame rate without significant visual loss. Disable VSync if you need higher FPS and limit background applications like browsers or sync tools. Also select high performance power mode and plug in your laptop to prevent throttling during sessions. For multiplayer Gmod on a laptop, pick servers with low ping and fewer players to reduce lag and resource strain. Avoid heavy add-on collections and install only trusted, essential mods that won't overload memory. Use server browser filters and favorites to find consistent, stable servers. When playing, consider limiting voice chat and disable unnecessary HUD elements to improve FPS. If you experience stuttering, join empty servers to test settings and gradually add add-ons until performance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.